Good morning, players. Tony here. Royal Creek Golf Club and Resort. Caddy number 0, Noi. Trying to sneak one in this morning before the big game tomorrow. Drew's here, so I ran into Drew. So I think we're going to be playing together, which is cool. Anyhow, just trying to get a little practice in before tomorrow, like I just said. We got special guests coming tomorrow. I think the legend will be here, Drew and I, and Chuck E. So anyway, we're looking forward to today. Nice overcast day. Sun's not going to be cooking us too much. Anyhow, I guess we'll see how we do. Noi, you bring a sandwich for me today?
No, I have.
You don't have sandwich?
Yes.
Oh. Good, bud. Oh. It didn't break to the right. Get in there. Oh. Woo.
Center, big tree.
Okay.
Try big.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get a shot.
Wow, on. Oh, what happened?
What happened? You see the abuse I take?
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, cut there.
Oh! That was the first makeable putt I've missed this morning so far. I've been making everything. Well, I made 2 good putts. One 5-foot, one 7-foot. Should have made that. Pick it up. Is that for par?
Bogey. I made a bogey. That was for par.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, nice. Perfect. Those are the most perfect putts, man.
My caddy's glossing herself, telling me what a good caddy she is. I got 4 pars on the front 9. Ended 8 and 9 with a par and a par. Nice putts. My putting stick today's been on. It's that triple that I had, and I got a couple of doubles. I kind of tanked the score on the front 9. I'm not sure what I got right now. We'll add it up later. But anyway, we're at the turn. Might stop and have a couple Leos to go, and then head on to the 10th. I'm up 3 skins. Oh! What happened? That was terrible. Oh, fuck. Straight. Get up there.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Good shot.
Oh, son.
That
Good.
was close.
Okay, okay.
Still okay.
Okay, ha.
Oh, good touch. Yeah, I'm going to give you that.
You gonna make me?
No, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Still good stroke. Finish down.
Okay. Ah! Power. Good job, new one.
อะไร
What happened?
เป็นไร
What happened?
แรง
Yeah. Oh, good touch. Well, it kind of fell apart in the back nine. I mean, the wheels didn't come off, but I just didn't shoot near as well as I was on the front nine. Front nine I did good, had 4 pars. The problem is I had 2 triple bogeys, 1 double. But the 4 pars, 1, 2, the 4 pars helped out the front nine. Back nine, not so much. Anyway, we're done. I lost some skins to Drew today. He won back some of the money that he's been giving to me over the weeks. So, you know, you got to fish on, you got to let him take a little line now and then. Let him think he's winning. And then I'll reel him in tomorrow. I'll get my money back from him tomorrow. I play the long game. Look at that, huh? God's gift to mankind right there. Look at her. Beautiful. We got caddy 0. We got the big winner over here. Drew put the hurt on me today. Oh, man. I'll get him back tomorrow, though.
For sure.
His victory is going to be
No
short-lived.
way I can play that way 2 days in a row.
He had a good round today. I'm happy for him. Played well. Anyway, we're just here enjoying a cool beverage. And I just got a call from the owners, and they're at the house. Well, the delivery people are at the house now with the washing machine. Ploy's letting them in. I heard security going off, so I know somebody's there. Hopefully Ploy will have the laundry done by the time I get home. Anyway, that's it. I'll be home in an hour or so. Looks like tacos today for lunch. I'm excited about that. Tacos and a nap. Afternoons don't get any better than that, let me tell you. Hey, Trix. What? What? Huh? Huh? What? What? Yeah. What? need to go pee? Let's go pee. Go pee. Go to pee. Come on.
Have some guys come machine laundry. She going over there and she poo in there.
See what?
She poo.
She pooed over here?
Yeah.
Chloe's complaining about the laundry machine. She says it's too small. Ugh. 10 kilos. I don't know, it's probably all I need. Just one of us here, right? I don't know. Now we'll see what happens.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for what?
No trick stitching.
Was she growling at you?
Yeah.
But she's trying to nap
No.
at Daddy's feet.
You have to help me, Trix.
Oh, seafood papaya salad, huh? You make me wonderful tacos and you have papaya salad?
No, I have tacos.
Oh, you did? Oh, you had tacos too?
Yeah.
Oh,
For breakfast.
oh for breakfast? Ah, I see. Okay.
This for lunch.
Okay. I can smell the fish sauce.